Okay, so this is video number 6. We're moving to a customer call wanting weekly service, which is a task and recurring task. So we're going to take our same customer, John Test.
We're going to go to the tasks.
So we went in that customer right on the task right there, and it said recurring.
He said that on Friday he's hoping to have service. I found him a guy, and I'm putting him on starting Friday.
So Valerie was talking about the fact that you actually have to look at the board to see what days we're in what city.
Right.
So that's kind of a paper piece, and then we picked Friday.
Okay, so we don't do bi-weeklies right now. He wanted full service. We quoted him at $39. And the service profile that the guys in the field will see needs to say that, and their phone will populate what all they need to go through at that customer each week. And it recurs weekly. Very important you do that. And we're going to say it was Doug. And it's a monthly billing, and it is the first of the month always. And I'm going to send a note to Doug. And hit submit. And then it's a 3-step process.
That was step 1.
You go here. You got to put him on route right here as well. If you don't, our reports won't run right. Oh, here's Doug.
So what was that under you had to go to?
Edit customer.
Okay.
And just go straight to the route, and it's Doug Friday route. Super important you get it exactly right there. Submit. And then third, we go over to QuickBooks. We're on John Test. We need to add his very first invoice manually. The rest you won't have to do, just the very first. Just hit tab, 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 and it'll populate the fields for you. Get down here, start typing full. There it is, it found it. Tab, and he's only going to have 1 in April.
He might have 2. You kind of have to look at the calendar. Is that right?
Correct.
So you have to go count how many there are. It's the only time you have to do this because it's unique billing.
Right. The rep is Doug. Sean likes us using that, so we're going to start doing that. And then save and close. Yes. Save anyway. We don't do classes. Now let's say Friday happened. Doug cleaned his pool. We're going to process this invoice and collect. Let's say we had his Visa or MasterCard, whatever. You would click that. It's going to find that we don't. But if it had, once it popped up, you would hit enter here, and it would process the credit card. And you would save and close. See, it's nothing, so cancel. 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 Do not record. No payment happened. Actually, we should have dated that date as well, not earlier. And then save and close. And just to show you, it's going to be sitting on our AR aging under test. And you'll see that he still hasn't paid. Where is it?
To refresh.
Where is it? This is why. If this were dated that day, it's going to show up. It's not there yet, so it's not current yet. Oh, it's thinking about something. Okay, here he is. Ta-da!
So the query wasn't looking at the right date.
Typically, we always have this on today, but you can, as you see, change that.
Okay, so what do? We added John Test to Doug on Friday and did the 3 steps. What else?
That is it.
Okay, so we added a weekly task recurring. Bye-bye.